Low back pain is one of the leading causes of disability and lost productivity in the world these days, and some 80% of Americans will probably experience it over the course of their lives. If that's you, it doesn't have to be this way. That's not just missed days at work, that's lost time with your kids, your grandkids, sitting on the sidelines instead of playing on the floor. Once we find the root cause, the solution is actually relatively simple. I'm Dr. Will, Family Wellness Chiropractor here at Higher Health Chiropractic, and we take a different approach to taking care of low back pain in our office. The first thing we always do is we want to actually find the root cause of what's causing your low back pain, because it could be a pulled muscle that you did in the gym, it could be something that you tweaked when you were working out in the yard, and sometimes it's something as simple as picking up that piece of paper off the floor that takes you down to your knees. What we have to figure out is why it's there in the first place. So we start every appointment with a full health history and consultation. Figure out, hey, what stresses have you actually been experiencing? Where do you think this might actually be coming from? And if everything lines up that tells us, you know what, this actually could be related to something going on in the spine, we start with some evaluations. We do digital thermography, surface electromyography, and heart rate variability. Those three tests tell us whether or not the nervous system is involved. Because as chiropractors, what we're looking for is subluxation. Subluxation is a misaligned bone in the spine that is causing some sort of irritation or interference onto the nerves associated with it. If those evaluations come back positive, that there is nerve pressure or nerve interference, then the next step is relatively simple. We need to take a picture of the spine to see exactly how things have shifted out of their normal alignment so that when it's time to make a correction, we get it right the first time. And when it comes to actually correcting the cause, we take a different approach. We use an instrument-based technique that is neurologically focused. It's called torque release technique, and it uses the integrator in order to correct gently those misalignments in the spine, taking pressure off your nerves, restoring communication and function between the brain and the body, and allowing you to heal and feel the way that God designed you to. If that sounds like what you're looking for, take a second, call our office or schedule an appointment online and find a time where we can sit down and figure out if chiropractic is a good fit for you. It would be our honor to take care of you at Higher Health Chiropractic.